Namaste sabaijanalai. Today, let's learn how to introduce yourself in Nepali. Let's start by learning how to say your name. My name is Barsa. Mero naam Barsa ho. Mero naam Barsa ho. Mero naam Barsa ho. I am Nepali. Ma Nepali हूँ म नेपाली हूँ म नेपाली हूँ I have been living in Nepal for a long time. म नेपालमा बसेको लामो समय भयो. म नेपालमा बसेको लामो समय भयो. म नेपालमा बसेको लामो समय भयो. I am a Nepali language teacher. So let's learn how to say your profession. So in my case, I'm a Nepali language tutor, so I would be saying I'm a Nepali language teacher. म नेपाली भाषा सिकाउने शिक्षिका हुँ. म नेपाली भाषा सिकाउने शिक्षिका हुँ. म नेपाली भाषा सिकाउने शिक्षिका हुँ. In short, if you just want to say I'm a teacher, you can say Ma Shichika hu. Shichika is for female teacher. And if you are a male teacher, you can say Ma Shichak hu. Now let's learn how to say I'm married. Mero biha bhaisakyo. Mero biha bhaisakyo. Mero biha bhaisakyo. Now, one more time, let's repeat all of the sentences starting from your name. मेरो नाम वर्षा हो. म नेपाली हुँ. म नेपालमा बसेको लामो समय भयो. म नेपाली भाषा सिकाउने शिक्षिका हुँ. मेरो बिहा भइसक्यो.